Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elephant Mind. Today we're checking out Veed.io, an online video editor with some seriously cool AI features. Think automatic subtitles, style adjustments, and even creating videos from scratch with AI. But is it the ultimate video creation tool? We'll be putting Veed through its paces to see if it can become your new editing bestie. Hit subscribe and let's find out. Veed. Veed.io is a versatile online video editing platform with powerful AI-powered features that simplify the video creation process. It offers tools for transcription, translation, subtitling, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for various video editing needs. Users can start with existing video files, screen recordings, or webcam recordings as their base. Let's see how it scores based on our criteria. Ease of use. Veed is intuitive for both beginners and those with some editing experience. Offers a nice balance of features versus a cluttered workspace. Veed.io strikes a balance between simplicity and robust features. Its intuitive interface caters to beginners while offering enough customization options to personalize your videos with text overlays, music, effects, and more. User-friendly. Veed's drag-and-drop interface makes editing intuitive even for beginners. Time-saving. The AI features automate repetitive tasks and speed up your edit time. Users can simply input their script or bullet points, and Veed's AI will automatically generate a video, complete with narration, relevant visuals, and smooth transitions. Veed also provides an intuitive editor, allowing users to further customize the video by adjusting the timing, adding their own media, and incorporating branding elements. So our rating for ease of use criteria is 8 out of 10. Customization. Wide range of tools. Veed.io provides tools for adding text, effects, overlays, filters, and more, giving you significant control over the final look of your videos. Flexibility for various projects. Veed.io's toolset isn't limited to AI-generated content. It can enhance pre-existing videos or footage you've recorded, providing customization options for diverse projects. Potential complexity. While Veed.io offers plenty of tools, mastering all of their features and creating complex custom designs might take some practice. Branding options. You can add your logo, colors, and fonts, which is helpful for maintaining consistency in your content. AI-assisted simplicity. Features like automatic subtitles and translations simplify certain customization aspects, reducing the manual workload. Note: Veed.io seems to strike a good balance between customization depth and accessibility. However, it might not reach the level of granular control offered by dedicated professional video editing software. So our rating for customization criteria is 7 out of 10. Features. Versatile toolkit. Veed's strength is its versatile toolkit, text-to-video, screen recording, subtitling, effects, and more. Core functionality. Veed.io excels at essential video editing. Cut, trim, crop, rotate, and arrange your video clips with ease. Text and visuals. Add subtitles, including automatic generation, text overlays, shapes, drawings, and more to customize your videos. Subtitles and translations. Make your content globally accessible with automatic subtitles and the ability to translate them into numerous languages. Filters and effects. A wide range of filters and effects let you adjust the visual style and feel of your videos. Voice and music tools. Record your own voiceover, upload pre-recorded audio, or select from Veed.io's music library to enhance the audio elements of your project. screen and webcam recording. Capture your screen activity or record directly from your webcam to seamlessly integrate into your videos. Collaboration features. Veed.io offers online collaboration for teams, allowing for real-time feedback and editing. Versatility. Veed supports a variety of input formats, including text, images, and audio, allowing users to repurpose existing content into engaging video formats. So our rating for features criteria is 8 out of 10. Output quality. Overall quality. Veed.io can produce excellent video output, especially considering its ease of use. It's great for functional social media videos, tutorials, and less complex projects. Features impact quality. Output quality depends on selected features. Automatic subtitles are impressive, while more stylized text and effects can look basic if not customized carefully. User skill matters. Like many tools, your skill level influences the final product. Mastering Veed.io's tools leads to much better results than simply using default settings. Not for high-end production. While Veed.io produces good quality, it may not be ideal for those seeking an ultra-polished, cinematic look or complex animations. Professional editing software offers more granular control for such projects. So our rating for output quality criteria is 8 out of 10. Pricing. Free plan with watermark. Veed.io has a free plan with basic features and a watermark. This lets you explore the platform before upgrading. Tiered subscriptions. Veed.io's paid plans, Basic and Pro, offer more features, longer video exports, and no watermark. Pricing is competitive with other online video editors. Flexible options. Both monthly and annual subscriptions are available, catering to different budgeting preferences. Project-based pricing. Veed.io also offers the option to pay per export, which could be appealing for very occasional users. Cost considerations. For frequent video creation, a subscription is likely most cost-effective. However, users with only a few videos per year might find the per-export model a good fit. Note: Veed.io's pricing is reasonable for its features and target audience. The balance of subscription and per-export options provides flexibility to users with diverse needs. So our rating for pricing criteria is 8 out of 10. Suitable for podcasters and interviewers needing transcription and subtitling services for their video content. Educators create accessible educational content with automatic subtitles and translations. Social media influencers and marketers who appreciate a balance between functionality and ease of use. Less suitable for users require advanced professional-grade editing tools for cinematic video production. Those who prefer a one-time purchase software over a subscription model. In summary, while each tool offers significant benefits for content creation, their ideal use cases vary based on the user's needs for customization, ease of use, features, output quality, and pricing. Identifying the primary purpose for video creation and the level of expertise in video editing will help users choose the most suitable tool for their needs. So overall average rating of Veed is 7.8 out of 10. As we wrap up our exploration of the Veed AI video generation tool, it's important to note that rating provided are subjective and based on a set of criteria. Best tool for you depends on specific needs, strengths, weaknesses, and unique demands of creative projects. Thank you for exploring with Elephant Mind.